Hey guys, Luke here from Off-Leash K9, Clarksville, Nashville. Today we've got Sawyer. Sawyer is a 7-month-old puddle pointer. He's here for our 2-week board and train, and he is a hunt dog breed. If you're not familiar with these dogs, they are waterfowl type of dog, but they're full of energy, working dog breed. The owner doesn't get to spend a lot of time with him. He is very busy with work, doesn't get to spend a whole lot of time. So we're going to get him started on a good foundation, and that make it a little bit more enjoyable for the owners to be around. So let's see what he knows. Hey, Sawyer, come here. Place. Good boy. Yeah. Good. Sit. Can you sit? No. Down? Can you down? No. Okay. Heel. Good boy. Good heel. Good. Good. All right, guys. As you see, it's pretty green. About as green as they get. And this may be a little bit from me because he doesn't know me. But pretty good pup. Really interesting dog. Look forward to training. So check back in 2 short weeks to see how much this dog's learned.
I was raised on a Tennessee hillside where blackberry bushes grow thick, with feet like the soul of a working man's boot and a head like a weight made of lead. Crooked grin, thorns sticking out my shoulder, hair too damn long, oh well. They tell me take a break, I'm sorry I can't. Tennesseans make music year-round. I can't help it. God put me in a place so green, even with tractors got the same damn color paint, same old rivers and same old streams. Cut that exhaust off, son, let it scream. God bless the South, I've never shut my mouth, and I'm proud to be from Tennessee, Tennessee. I'm proud to be from Tennessee. My favorite shirt has the arms cut out with a couple old tobacco stains. I burn up every Kenny Chesney album, drinking Coors Light, getting sunburnt on a lake. And I wanna know how forever feels, but not no Hall of Fame, 'cause I'll always be in a holler with the working man, and that's something nobody can take. I can't help it. God put me in a place so green, even with tractors got the same damn color paint, same old rivers and same old streams. Cut that exhaust off, son, let it scream. God bless the South, I've never shut my mouth, and I'm proud to be from Tennessee, Tennessee. I'm proud to be from Tennessee. These golden sunsets sinking down in Hunter Green, on the edge of the country scene. good old boy like me. So when the raging river hits and the current's too strong, I'll be drifting, living out my where the world has life and the dogs run wild and the chickens still crow and the clay still flies. Where the porch still crowded with my day one friends and my brothers drive any truck I got out here. So before you think you know mine and me, whoa, just know I'm the soul of old country, and all our roots run deep, roots run deep, roots run deep.